Hi, my name is Laura, and today I'll be walking you through how to connect your Hexoskin smart shirt to Zamplo. Zamplo connects to your wearable device, enabling you to easily track and visualize your health data all in one place. Data from the Hexoskin shirt will be uploaded on a daily basis in real time as a routine and visualized as a graph. It's important that you connect your wearable as soon as possible to your Zamplo account, as only data from the last 7 days can be uploaded to Zamplo. So there are 2 things that you should have on you and ready to go before getting started. And the first is having a Zamplo account already set up for you. This is something that your research coordinator should have already done, and you should already have access to your Zamplo account. The second is having your Hexoskin login credentials with you. This includes your username and your password as it's needed to complete the connection. So to begin, the first thing you need to do is log into Zamplo. This includes entering your email address and password and then clicking login. You'll be taken to the main dashboard of your Zamplo account. If you navigate to your left-hand side, this is your main menu over here, and if you scroll down, click on Manage Devices, and you'll be taken to this screen. If you are using your digital device, then you can find the main menu on the bottom right-hand side of your Zamplo account by clicking on More, and then scrolling down to Manage Devices, and you'll be taken to the same screen. Here it seems that the connection is off, so to begin the integration, just click this button right here. You are now taken to the Hexoskin login site. Please enter your username and password. And once you've entered in your username and your password, go ahead and click on Connect. This should prompt back open your Zamplo account. If the connection was successful, you should be getting this note over here. Now, if for some reason you're unable to connect to your Hexoskin device, please reach out to your research coordinator and let them know so they can verify your credentials. Now you're taken to the routines page, and here you can see your current routines as well as a new routine, and this is the auto-populated Hexoskin routine. Once your Hexoskin routine begins to auto-populate health data, you can travel back to the dashboard where you will find a graph similar to this one. This graph will be representing your Hexoskin health data. And the great thing about it is that you can see your data points based on a day, or you could also look at it within a span of time. Another great thing about it is that it is auto-populated and updated, so you can travel back to your Zamplo account anytime you'd like and see how your health data is mapping out on the graph and look at any trends. Zamplo helps you become empowered throughout your health journey by allowing you to keep complete ownership of your health data. This includes the data coming from your Hexoskin shirts, as well as other data that you input into the app. And that's it. You have now integrated your Hexoskin smart shirt into Zamplo.